My name is Kaylee. I'm the lead business consultant at Odoo. The first thing you'll see is the maintenance dashboard. So these are quick links to maintenance requests for a maintenance team. We'll hop on over to equipments and select one of our equipments here. We have our equipment category, which is kitchen. We have our maintenance team and then the technician. You also have used in locations. We hop over to the product information tab. You have several fields here. We also have our vendor reference and our model number and the serial number. We have cost, and then you have purchase date, purchase condition, and purchase note. We are going to jump straight to the maintenance. We're going to go ahead and work on the manually created one. We're going to move it to in progress. We'll select the location from which we're going to pull our stock and then our destination location. We'll add an item on here. And under timesheets, we'll say we replace the paddle. We can move it into repaired and it is officially done.